There he goes, just walking down the street. I don't know how to make the rest of that song work, but it's very windy, so I'm sorry if the wind noise is horrible. We were just on our evening walk here in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, and I saw this barge coming around, and I was like, who do we have here? The barge is called the Huron Spirit. I think that's the Leonard M tug. So I'm gonna pop up here to the fence. We're gonna take a peek. Now it looks like someone's in the lock. So they're gonna have to wait. I can't tell who it is. Here, let me zoom in there. Can you tell who that is? I think that's the Walter J. McCarthy. I think. They're in the lock. Downwind to something. Stinky. There is the tour boat Hiawatha. Ooh. There's the Huron Spirit. I don't know what they're loaded with at all. They're sitting pretty low though, because you can see the McHale Marine is mostly obscured. And there is the tug properly. I'm guessing there must be existing traffic for the MacArthur lock, because they would easily fit in the Mac lock. Huh. Can you see in there? Into the barge? I can't see anything. No, I don't think you can either. But it has like a cool little, I don't know if that's for unloading, a little arm and belt there. It's kind of interesting. Now that wind is stout, and it's not super cold, but also not very warm, especially for June. Ooh. In fact, I can feel it shaking the whole fence. Interesting. Let's take another little peek. I can't really see the screen. I really can't see the MacArthur lock from here. I don't know. I don't know. I was hooked on one of those with my phone there. My dog. Such a good boy. Now we're definitely, I don't know what, maybe we're just downwind of the tug. I don't think we're quite downwind of the steel plant here. So, interesting. But that's gonna do it. Just kind of a short one. Argo's gonna get all the sniffs. There's a lot of dogs that get walked here, as I said before. So he's gonna get all sorts of smells. And we're gonna boogie on this way, kind of with the wind-ish. Kind of crosswind. But Anyway, here we go. Have a great day. Hopefully you're warmer than I am. My hands are quite cold. Yes, I'm complaining of my hands in June. I really need to toughen up. But Argo and I, we will be back. Right, dog? He's not listening to me.